What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction with the pinchy eye and the fucked up mouth. I'm here today with another reaction / breakdown, people. And today we're doing Yxng Bane, Cut Me Off featuring 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐄𝐓 Europe. That is what we're doing today, man. This is what we're doing today. So I'm a bit hyperactive, I'm a bit happy because you don't know. Yesterday was my birthday, guys. Yesterday was my birthday and I'm here and I'm alive, you know what I mean? So without further ado, just do this for me, please, guys. Come on. Now that is done, let's jump straight into the video, man. Let me change my face and come back, alright? Yeah, let's go. Yxng Bane and 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐄𝐓 Europe. Let's go, baby! Okay, alright. This reaction channel is different from all the rest. I am breaking down and I am reacting at the same time. The girl look nice. I like her. Yeah, her. I like her. Let's go. Basically, I'ma try for lyrics or I'ma tell him say, yo, me like you. So save a place in your bed when you sleep at night for me. Because I will be over knocking at your door. Open up! Open up! The dog is here to come in. Let's go. Let me come in and come in. Man, so basically, I just say what he's saying again. Basically, just show me that you're down, show me that you're there, show me that you're a freak. Like, you know, something like the freaky girl. Just show me that you are there, baby. Just show me that. That is what I'm asking you. Just show me that. Just show me that. How you gonna show me that? Show me that. What is that on him shirt? Is that Mary and Jesus on him shirt?
You let me take it off, have a break you off, make me wanna dance, let me in, don't cut me off.
Hey, the dancer where am I do? Is that Pop Smoke dance? I was talking to somebody yesterday and somebody says somebody was doing the Pop Smoke dance. Is that the Pop Smoke dance? Come in and know Pop Smoke dance, you know. I'm clueless to the Pop Smoke dance, you know. Nice vibe to the song still. Back to the song. Nice vibe to the song. The girl them clean, like Jesus Police record again. Let's see more of it. This song seemed like it would have been a club banger if the club was open. But we all know say the club them lock, COVID lock up the club them. Nothing go on, the whole place locked down again. I don't know what go on, man. I don't know what go on. But free up the people them, dog. Free up the people them go enjoy them song in a club, dog. Free up the people them, bro. Free up the people them, bro. It's a nice little vibe to it, you know. But I would it. Yeah, but yeah, you know. Let's go. And say, yo, fell asleep at the crib, waking up at 5. Is that 5 a.m. or 5 p.m., bro? What time you wake up? 5 a.m. or 5 p.m.? Oh, people, yeah, the water is here too. The water is here. Don't forget the water, the infamous water. Put that over there, sir. Let's go again. What I'm say? When you say something about you start work at 9, what you say? Just something while ago, I never hear. You say you start work at 9, you ain't got what to love at mine, and I'm showing up to work on time. Let me see for a week. And say, yo, you say you start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. No matter, baby, it no matter. Me not gonna make you late. I'm not gonna make you late, dog. Just make you do the thing, man. You know the thing, God. But you're good in my hands. You're good. You're all right, man. Let's go.
Tell me you're free. Shut when our feet both touch the streets. Full by the club, but I want she. I'm in your city for a week.
To be fair, it's not much to break down in another song. Yeah. It's not much because not much lyrics in another song. Just melodies. Lots of melodies in the song, and I'm sing to the girl.
Tell me you're there, tell me you're free. Shut when our feet both touch the streets. I full by the club, but I want she. Won't you let me?
Obviously, it is a normal club banger. It's not one of the drill tracks when we normally react to and things. It's not a drill song or anything like that. It's just a popular song. Yxng Bane cut me off 𝐷 Europe. And the video, GRM Daily, big up. Let me in, don't cut me off. Let me in, don't cut me off. Let me in, yeah. It's have a little vibe. It's have a little groove. It's have a little groove. You know what I mean? A groove. All right. You know, long me I do the dance, yeah? Long time me do that. See that? Me bust it and give it to him and him a do it now.
I just left the fashion week. She a rider, she don't ever repeat. I've been loving how my diamonds.
Hold on, go back a bit. Him jump into.
I just left the fashion week. She a rider, she don't ever repeat. I've been loving how my diamonds.
Basically, that's the same thing. She's a rider. She's loving how the diamond them shine and thing. You don't know. It's a ride or die chick. Even though she have work at 9, she still a go up and do the thing. She still a go outside with something in her mouth.
Loving how your pussy so wet. We ain't even sex. You're addicted to hills, so I'll buy you both pairs.
Man say, him love how your pum pum wet. Your pum pum, your pussy, your punani. Him love how it wet. Yeah. Him love basically just a normal girl song, brother.
Cause you flying first class, no stress. And I know that I made mistakes. Take a break, girl, please forget. She my rider for sure, I don't care where she go.
Anytime you fly, baby, a first class you fly. There's no question about that. Anytime you fly, you're flying first class. You're not in a premium economy. No, economy when you foot them unk up like this. No, baby, you're out there. You're out. You're reclining in your chair. First class, you're there. You see it? Yeah, you get meal first. Baby, you are a rider or die chick. You are a rider or die chick, and you are my rider and die chick. So any man who want you? No, you are mine. M-I-N-E, mine.
Oh, no, I don't wanna control her. No, girl, suck it so more, girl.
I say, yo, me no want controller. I'm not that type of guy. I'm not the controlling type of guy. Baby, go out and let your hair down with your friends them. Me no want control you. I'm not gonna control them. I trust you enough. Cause me know say you're loyal to the G. That is what he said, not me. You know? Let's go.
Pouring out the drink, both gone, yeah. And we saying that we right, both wrong, yeah. We been waiting for tonight, girl, it's on, yeah. Let's put up in the ring.
We not wait for tonight. We are doing it right now, right here, right now. So take off your clothes. 6:30, bend over, make we deal with the tune wicked. Let's go. Passionate love making. Let's go. We not do no R. Kelly and piss pa no girl. Let's go.
Range Rover, girl, I'm coming
Won't
home.
you let me take it off? Have a break you off. Make me wanna.
Bomba, the girl look good here. And the same girl that from when it start. A different girl is. Girl look good. That girl look good like when you cross busy road. You have to look good, right? The girl look good like she. Big up 𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐒.
Let me in, don't cut me off. Won't you let me take it off? Have a break you off. Make me.
That's a normal song. It deserves some water still, you know?
Let me in,
See, when you're fucking with a rich nigga, you better get used to the sign.
When you fuck with a rich nigga, baby, get used to the sign. What again? When you fuck with a rich nigga, baby, get used to it. Lifestyle is different round here. Lifestyle, anything you want me give you, me girl. Come on me yard, me show me get. Anything you want, baby, you will get it. But you have to know, so you have to be loyal to get it. If you're not loyal, get away, move away. Water. I've got the lighter here, people. It's not a lighter song. It's just a water song. Let's go.
50,000 euros on me right now. I'll blow it Champs Elysees to Milan.
I have 50,000 euros, 50,000 smackaroonies, 50,000 shmoney, 50,000 blows. Right here, right now, I can blow up on you. Let's go Milan. Let's go Spain, baby. What you say? Shopping where you go. What you say? What you say? If you like this, we can shop. What you say? What you say? Shopping.
Never supposed to fall in love, but life doesn't go to plan. Doesn't go to plan. Bitches don't compare, cause I just asked you for head. I'ma ask her for rhyme.
Huh? Wait. Youth. Wait.
Was never supposed to fall in love, but life doesn't go to plan. Doesn't go to plan. Bitches don't compare, cause I just asked you for head. I'ma ask her for rhyme.
I'm never supposed to fall in love, baby, but there's something grip me, it hold me, it squeeze me, it tie me up, and it wring me out like wet clothes. Yeah, that is something do to me, so I'm now in love with you, baby. I'm now in love with you. It never go as planned. You see me? Remember, say you have to get the G head too. You see? Yeah, babe. This I think. Yeah. All right, sorry. But let's go.
Ring side, Chanel side. Do you wow? Still a slime. Nigga fumble the bag, he ain't do you right. Tell him to stay out of our business, guys. Just you and I.
Hey, yo, all when you touch 10 man, yeah, me have to be 11. Tell them stay out of the business. Big up extra daps. Tell them stay out of the business. That is our business. Me not care what the boy wants to say. You are my business. Me not listen to nobody else because sometimes when time you're in a one good relationship, you have people that come in your ears and hearsay. No, me no want to hear no hearsay. I'm so in love with this girl. She gonna take me for it. Not for an idiot, but you know, you have to come with proper proof for me left my home and where.
Tell me you're down, tell me you're free. Shut on my feet, both touch the streets. Full by the club, but I want she.
Girl, them look clean though. Look at the girl and look clean, dog. Clean, brother, clean.
I'm in your city for a week. Tell me you're down, tell me you're free. Shut on my feet, both touch the streets. I full by the club, but I want she.
Like me say, it's a nice club banger. It's a really nice song to vibe to. When you're driving in your car or when you're in your house or clean your house or you just chill with your girl or something. You know, fellas, you know what I'm saying? Ladies, you can chill to it too. If you're there chill with your boo, your day one, your baby, your bae. Bae means shit. But you know what I mean?
Let me take it off.
Let me in or cut me off. Let me in or cut me off. That's how the song say. People, it's not a normal energetic reaction that I always give you, the normal birthday that I always give you, because this is just a nice little vibe, you know? I thought since my birthday have gone yesterday, I just say, I'm come with a nice little birthday vibes today. Although I never listened to this song before, so. But let's go, man. Let's go. If you like the video, please leave a like. Please subscribe if around here. If you're new around here, viewers, because I know a lot of you watch and don't subscribe, so. Just let me grow the channel. Let me grow the channel. So, guys, I'll see you in the next one. All right? If you can't be good, be lucky. If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. Don't offend anyone. All right? Stay safe. Peace.